Ah, are we still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So you have the skeleton there. Maybe you still start from the part one, or you want me to do the part one also can.
No problem. I can start with the first part. Okay.
Yep.
So. Okay. What we do here is that I open the features file, filter movie list, right? And I start writing here.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no! What I mean is before this one, the where have you created?
I already did that.
Oh, you already finished the movie part of it. Okay, all right, sure.
No, I didn't finish the movie part. No. Which one are you looking now? Try to see the directory HW4.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And then it's under the HW4.
Uh-huh. HW4, yes, I saw it. Then we go to movie steps. Okay. What I mean is in our homework, right? The first part after we clone the whole thing.
I did that already.
And part one is to add your code in the movie step to define step definition file. Okay. I mean, what I mean is part one. Have we done part one? Oh, declaration. Okay. All right.
No, I haven't done it yet.
Okay.
Do you want me to do this, or do
yes,
you want
yes, please. Sorry, I confused you. Yeah. So go ahead.
No, it's okay. It's fine. I mean, so you want me to do that, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. You're right. I'm okay. Then I do here. So in part one, we need to populate the table. We need to make this background pass as a green. Let me first run it as just to make sure that nothing is filter. Yes, okay, it's red.
Yeah.
It's red.
That's what I mean.
Okay. Yeah, yes, and then we will do. Then we will just create title, movie title, rating, movie rating, and release date, movie release date. Okay, let me and run it. Okay, it's passed.
Yep.
Okay, now your turn.
Okay, so I continue from 2.1. Okay. I think just now I actually misread the whole thing. 2.1 is meant to be a little bit simpler, so I think for 2.1 is meant to be one by one, is it? So this is unchecked. I mean, and unchecked. Maybe I just should just. And let's copy out.
So you want to do them one by one?
Yeah, I think that's what they mean 2.1. Basically, they want us to test out, you know, before we do we combine all the selection. Am I right? It looks that to be the case.
The problem is that since they already put in the movie steps RB, they already put the version of step definition with the list. If you look at the step definition 25 at
web steps
in the movie steps.rb.
Movie steps 25. Yeah, but I think yes, that's true. But that I think that 25 line is meant for step 2.
Oh yeah, I understand. Yeah, you can go on to do that this way. Yeah, that's right.
I mean, just try it because.
But then you need to
type everything.
Yeah, but and the one thing, you see, first of all, you put two different versions. In one case, you put ratings with S. In another one, you
sorry, I keep missing this part. I don't know why.
No. Actually, here you should remove S because otherwise you will get an ambiguous. You'll get an ambiguous condition, and for this one, you need to create a separate. You can use the same. Actually, you can use the same definition.
It should be this.
Yeah, you can use the same. Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. But I think for this one, we don't need to have everything. I just try the lazy way, see whether it works. So if I just run, okay, filter movies. Okay, now fail, unimplemented PG. Why unimplemented? I think it should, because I restricted to I check for ratings.
Yeah, because basically they have this fail unimplemented. You should comment this out and start actually coding inside of the definition.
Oh, so yeah, actually, okay. So we still should try this way. The definition.
No, the definition is correct. It just in movie steps.rb you can see that it's unimplemented.
Yeah. Do we need to re-implement it down here? Anything in the movie steps? Will that be?
You mean is in the step 1? Yeah, because it asks you to check where the correct movies appear. So you need to implement the definition, at least of this check and uncheck part.
Okay. Then might as well I just implement the. Okay, never mind. But I'm a bit confused. Okay, anyway. So if I have to implement this one, or rather, if I take out this thing, it failed, right? Oh, but you have.
Yeah, in that case, it will not be. Yes, it will not be. It will be green, but it's since it does nothing, it will be false green.
Yeah, I just okay. So I basically need to implement it. Yeah.
You see, it's green, but it does nothing actually.
Yeah, you're correct. I should not see. Okay, so we implement this one, then.
So you just basically check if it's uncheck or check, and then you assume that rating list is not a list, just one rating. That's it.
Sorry, what do you mean?
You will check if it is uncheck or not, right? And then you will just check the rating list or uncheck it.
Oh yeah, that's basically the.
Yeah, because rating list is not a list actually right now. It's only one rating.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I think it's rating underscore list.
Rating underscore list.
No, not there. This one is correct.
No. Because what I'm thinking is, you say just now, you say it's only one of them, right?
Yeah, just only one, so you don't need to split it.
Okay. Then we need to split the whole thing, and need to do each two. No need, and we just check and.
Yeah, you just check and then you just put the rating list as is inside this.
Rating list. I mean, like this.
Exactly. Yes, you're right. But no, because this case, the first part was right, because if you open index movie, if you open the view, let me open the views. If you open the view, you will see that the tag is well. Basically, you can locate with different things, either with the tag as you do it, or with the ID, which is ratings underscore, right? So you used this way.
Yeah,
it is okay, but the problem is that the variable name is rating list.
Yeah.
So this one you don't need here. You do correctly like rating. Hold on. Ratings. This is correct. And then you put it like this. Do you understand why we do this?
Yeah. I know. Because that's a variable name, right? So.
Yeah, just a variable name because it's not a list. It's just only one.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about the second step. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm understood. So, but then become a little bit okay. Anyway.
This is yeah, right.
Right. Then I think that's it, right?
Yeah, it should work actually. Yep.
Yeah, you are right.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I take me a long time to do this part. Is it time to swap? I think maybe
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
you
Let's
continue with.
swap.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I do the second part. Is that
Yeah.
basically we will convert this to the list, right?
Right.
So let me check the. So when I check the following ratings, PGR, and I uncheck the following ratings, PGG, and I press refresh, then I should see The Incredibles, then I should not see Chicken Run. Okay. But you already did as a list.
Hey, sorry. How come your version and my version looks different?
Yeah, sorry, this one. Because I'm looking into the. Let me close this one. It's the
Yeah.
previous.
Okay.
I'm closing.
Understood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So PGR.
Yeah.
I basically delete this one
Right.
and I uncheck. I basically delete this one
Right.
and I press refresh. I should see The Incredibles. Let me just
And
rephrase this one. Is okay?
sure.
And I should not see Chicken Run.
Yeah.
Right. So we have PGR, and in
Right.
PGR we should see The Incredibles, right? And we should not see, for example, Chicken Run.
Yeah.
Okay, let me save it, and I run it. Oops.
But this will fail, right? Because
It will fail, yeah. It will fail.
okay.
Let it fail. Yes, it fails. That's okay. And I fix it here. And now I do what actually we wanted to do, right?
Right.
I rating split it like this.
Right.
And for each, I do, this is our element, right? Pick ratings. I think this one should work.
Yeah.
Let me check. Oops, I broke something here.
Yeah. Something
Unexpected end of input on 41. Let me see on 41. Yeah, that's because, yeah.
Correct.
Okay, I save it. And here I run again. Okay.
All right. So 2.2 is done. I think you just
Okay.
continue on
Now it's your
2.3.
turn. Yeah.
Oh, you still. Oh, you want me to do? Okay. All right. So
Yeah.
I do
Yeah.
2.3. 2.3 is to show all movies. Okay. Basically, in the filter movie list. When all the ratings should see that space. When I check maybe
Don't forget S.
Yeah. Right now. See all the movies. Yes. Steps and so in this case I will do it this way. I will come from here rather than on the top. Then it says inspect rows. Rows. Do you think this one will equal? But actually, how to use this thing? Inspect rows to equal value.
Yeah, exactly. You put the space and the value you want to check with the rows.
In the parentheses, or
you can leave out parentheses, or if you, or you can put parentheses as well.
So, will this work?
No, this will not work because you actually check the same variable with its the same. It will always be you need to check the actual and the wanted values.
So how about this is my desired values, right?
Yes. First of all, you take the values from the database, right? This is the values you want to
show, to equal, yeah.
To equal, right? But what are you checking? These
I'm
rows,
checking on the page, right?
Yeah, you need to check. You need to count those rows in the page. And one way to count them is to use the matcher all, but you need to specify what are you matching. Like for example, I will show you rows equal all. This all method will count, will find an array of things you are looking into the page on the page, right? So it should be something like I will write in the words, but all table records, right? Like this. So what you need is you need to actually figure out correctly how you count these tables, these records.
Okay.
You basically, if you switch to index.html HAML file,
right? The HTML in the views, right?
Exactly. What you need to count is the number of this. Do you see my screen?
Yeah. So one second. Yeah. Which one?
Yeah, you need to count the number of this. Of TRs,
okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So you specify I'm looking into the table movies, or you just specify IG. That's enough because IDs are unique within the page. And you say I'm looking into the TRs inside T-body, and basically, as you see, these TRs are actually a result of this. How do I say, loop inside the view? So you will get the number of TRs correctly.
So in this case, if I come back, I have to put sorry. Does it mean the T-body here?
You specify here the selectors in the CSS syntax, but it should be inside it should be string, so it should be inside quotes.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. Who has a cursor now? I have. Okay, because you typing there also. Oh, okay. Actually, it's about the syntax. You put
Yeah, it's
all.
about the syntax.
So,
For example,
no, I have to use something like this, right? And where do I put it?
T-body, TR. Yes, actually, about one thing.
Yeah.
Actually, you put T-body.
Yeah.
I would specify here this one. What it says is that TR is direct child of T-body. When it is like this, it says TR inside T-body. It is actually the same in our case. But what we want is actually the direct children of T-body, right? So
Right.
it will work. This one is also work. But in case there are many tables, then it might spoil you. So you put this one. And just in case to specify the movies itself. So what it says that since tables have ID, tables have ID, it says I want TR, that is the direct children of T-body,
Right.
under movies.
Right.
So this way you will get the array of the TRs.
Yeah. So
But then you need to figure out the number, the count, right?
Right. So I have to put the count down there. Does that mean I have to put? Does it count like this?
No. You may not. Since you already get all the array, you just put the Ruby method for either length or just size.
Yeah. Size, yeah. Okay.
Like this.
Okay. All right.
And here it should work actually. Right now it should work actually. You can save and try it. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
It works.
This is not like done by you, but anyway. Okay. I think 2.3 is done. So 2.4. You take over maybe.
Now my part, right? Part 3.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, since the sentence sort movie list feature involves sorting, you will need the ability to have steps that test whether one movie appears before another in the output listing. Create steps such as then I should see. Okay, I'm opening the sort movie list feature, and I put my steps here. Then I should see family before chocolate, right? In his case, then I should see, let's say, the Terminator before Aladdin. You see, the Terminator released earlier than Aladdin, so it should be before Aladdin. Okay, I will save this one and run the Cucumber sort movie list feature. Okay, it failed because we didn't realize the steps, right? Okay, here I do. Okay, then I should see before do L1 and E1. E2. So what we do is the match, right?
With each body, right?
No, I think. Uh-huh. Sorry. Oh, I want this. I don't remember the exact.
I will just put each body instead of match down there. I don't know. I mean, just that's what I'm thinking.
Hold on, please.
Yeah.
Um,
Because there's a right? I will just do this.
okay, yeah, I see. Yeah. But then you need to assert it, right? With expect. Do you do it with expect or?
Actually, I think that will work already because he's already using the regular expression, right? To find a match.
Sorry, your voice is getting distorted again. You can chat here in.
I think it's my headphone. Maybe my plug-in is not. Can you hear me now?
No, it's distorted.
Oh my God. Okay, I'll type.
Chat here. Just like this. I think it's not right because even it doesn't match. Even it doesn't match, it will still be green. Because
Right.
it should deliberate. It doesn't return anything, false or true. Even it return false. The whole step will be green because it doesn't look into the how do I say? It doesn't look into the return values. It should the whole procedure should fail. Should raise an exception. I think the way it accepts the problem, it detects the problem is with. But we can test it. Imagine like this. Let's do like this. Page body, and I just do something like I'm doing the opposite one. Okay. I would like to show you that it will still work.
Okay.
I'm doing the opposite one, like this. So let's save it, and then let's run the cucumber. You see it's passed.
You're right.
And I will show you now the other one, this one.
It's a match.
You see it's always green.
Yeah, right. So it's not right. Why it doesn't capture? Because it's like.
But we need what we need is this is actually correct. But what we need is to say that we expect, for example, page body, right, to match this one.
Okay.
I think it is.
Yeah, this is the same time.
Let me check the exact R spec, the exact R spec. I don't find it here. Anyway, expect body to match this. Let me try this, okay? But I want, it worked. But let me so try to match the opposite one. You see, it didn't match.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, you need to use the expect. Oh, okay. All right. So that's it.
Do you wanna try to do? But it will work anyway, right? Let me check again. Yeah,
Okay.
it worked now. Yeah.
It works. Yeah. So anything missing still?
No, I don't think anything is missing actually.
Okay. Hopefully we recorded. The recording is okay. Hopefully this time.
You got a YouTube link, right?
Not yet. You have to stop this recording, broadcasting, then you get the link from your Google Air, right?
Okay. Yeah, I will stop it now.
Yeah.
Okay.
At the bottom corner.